Hi there, students. Piecemeal. One word, or maybe you could hyphenate it as well. I think probably not two words. Piecemeal is an adjective and an adverb. Okay? If you do something piecemeal, it means a small amount at a time, in stages, bit by bit. So the job was done piecemeal. Also, you can use piecemeal to mean into pieces. So he tore up the piece of paper piecemeal. Yeah? He tore it into pieces. He tore it piecemeal. Notice, if we use this word piecemeal, normally to do something piecemeal, this is critical. This is saying that there's no systematic plan. Yeah, it's done over a piece of time in different ways and at different times. Yeah, it's not got a master plan to it, and very often if you do things piecemeal like this is saying it's not been done very well. So I don't know, this legislation was put together piecemeal, a bit at a time, by different people, and it doesn't work very well. So if you do something piecemeal, you don't do it all at the same time. Do you think we should resolve all of this now, or do you think we should take piecemeal measures to try and slowly but steadily make it better? Yeah, so I don't know. He did his work piecemeal, and it didn't have a very good result. Yeah, he tore the letter piecemeal into fragments, into small pieces. Okay, but be careful, because piecemeal, it has this negative feeling to it without any plan. Yes, it's done in stages, but it also gives the idea that there is no overall plan. Yeah, very often this was done piecemeal fashion. They took a piecemeal approach. This was done on a piecemeal basis. Yeah, they conducted business in a piecemeal way. Yeah, there were piecemeal changes to this. Yeah, they didn't make the reform completely. It was just piecemeal reform, piecemeal measures. Yeah, so little by little, bit by bit, but not with an overall plan. And this is the real idea of piecemeal. Yeah, I think probably as students of a language, we acquire language piecemeal because there are so many different sources and so many different occasions that we learn language, that it comes in stages, a little amount at a time, here and there. And I think a piecemeal approach to learning languages is probably the only way. I think with grammar you need to be a bit more systematic about it. Yeah, so you do it unsystematically. Yeah, you do it, it's rather spotty, it's gradually. Yeah, this house that you see today was built piecemeal. Yeah, the changes came to it piecemeal over a very long period of time. Yeah, they made piecemeal changes to the constitution, so a bit here and a bit there, and that's the idea of piecemeal. So you're going to want to know about the formality. I think piecemeal, I think I would give a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. Yeah, but remember, an adverb and an adjective, both together. And it comes from Middle English, piecemeal, piece meaning piece, and melee from Old English, melum, at a time. Yeah, and this is the idea. So piecemeal, a bit at a time, and that's really the meaning of it. So yeah, something that's done piecemeal. You do it in stages or bit by bit, but it suggests disorganization. It suggests that there was no overall development plan, but the development was piecemeal. Many large organizations have come to their present state piecemeal over a period of time, partial measures here and there, bit by bit, gradually and slowly. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Piecemeal.